My name is James. I've been a scalp micropigmentation artist for over 7 years.
After consultation, we are prepared for the design procedure. I will see face structure before starting to design hairline because this is a very important process to make it look natural. I don't want to make it look like not natural. I want to always follow the look natural.
Scalp micropigmentation session can take 2 to 3 hours depending on the area size of scalp conditions.
Most clients require 2 for 4 sessions. Each session builds on the last, allowing for adjustment in color and density.
When I first came here, I don't expect too much about this scalp treatment. But after I went for 5 treatments, I got a lot of confidence about James. So I looks better. I got a lot of confidence and I looks young too.
It's incredibly rewarding to see how SMP boosts my client's confidence. They leave with a fresh look, and that makes every day worth it. Being each customer is a personal masterpiece.